Today we're going to be unboxing the Ulanzi VL120 RGB. This is a LED video light that was on sale on Amazon. And let's see how it is. Let's open it up. Got an instruction manual, the unit itself, and a looks like a rubberized type case for it, probably for diffusing it. Got a USB charging cable, and that's USB-C, and a hot shoe adapter. Well, let's see if this turns on. To go ahead and turn this on, we go ahead and do a long press on the power button. And you have two different items here that you can adjust. The first rocker wheel is the strength of the light. So we can turn this up to 100% all the way down to 0 or off, and then even like 1% here if we just barely turn this up. So there's 1%. Go up to 100, and then the second rocker wheel goes ahead and moves it up here, and we can change the Kelvin of the light itself here. Now if we go ahead and short tap the power button, now we have the RGB, and then as it's changing the setting on the very top there, you can see that it's cycling through the different colors. Now if I just short press it again, here's the scene. Here is cop car. Here's ambulance. Fire engine. Lightning. Fireworks. TV. Candle. Party. A faulty bulb. Pulsing. A strobe. RGB strobe. Paparazzi. Emergency. High and low beam. A red flash. A green flash. A blue flash. It's HSI slow. You can see it's just cycling through the colors all on its own. Here's HSI fast. And those are all 20 of the scenes. So if we go back up again here, it goes ahead and goes back to cop car. Now we can see in comparison to some higher end lights why this is so much cheaper. Overall, for the price, it's not bad, but it definitely is not on the same playing field as the higher end portable light units out there.